On a 2026 Genesis GV70, if you get this sense that your car's battery never holds a charge, there's a few things that could be. If you notice, like on a cold winter day, that the thing is not starting up because the starter motor is very weak, and you suspect that means the battery is weak, it could be that the battery needs to be replaced. Check and see how old the battery is. But if you have a brand new battery and it still keeps getting depleted and you have to jump start the car all the time on a new battery, it could be the alternator. If you suspect that it's the alternator, come and check under the relay box under the hood, and there is a fuse 225 that goes to the alternator, and if that is out, that would mean your alternator would be out. So to troubleshoot your alternator, start there. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.